What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here and I'm with a very special person from Apple and we are currently at Apple Park Visitor Center. Karen, would you like to introduce yourself?
Absolutely. Hi everyone, my name is Karen Rasmussen and I lead the online store here at Apple, and we're super excited to be ready to introduce our brand new products to the world.
Nice. So in case you don't know, Malaysians are actually getting the Apple products like the iPhone 16 a lot earlier this year, right? Like super early, first batch kind of thing. And pre-orders is starting 13 September.
That's right.
So I have a few questions to ask you because it's our first time. You know, because now we also have like an Apple store now at The Exchange TRX. So why should customers pre-order from Apple? And what are the benefits if customers pre-order from Apple?
Absolutely. We are super excited for customers to get their hands on the brand new iPhone 16, and pre-orders, as you said, start this Friday. If you pre-order from the online store, you can choose the option to either have it shipped to your home and arrive on the 20th, or you can come in and pick it up in our brand new store that you mentioned. And our amazing specialists in the store will help everybody get set up, get tips and tricks, learn how to do more with our brand new products. It's actually an absolutely magical experience, and I'd love for everyone to try it out.
That's nice. I usually get one question from a lot of my Malaysian friends, and that hot question is, what are the differences between buying an Apple product from the Apple Store compared to other retailers?
We are super focused on making sure that the customer gets everything they need and really put the customer at the center. So whether it's discovering and learning about the latest products, whether it's getting help how to buy, we have amazing trade-in and financing options that customers often need to get some help with, or whether it's learning how to go further with their products, you can do it all with Apple, whether it's in our online store or in our store that we recently opened. And we really think that seamless, customer-focused experience is the best you can get.
Let's just say customers have decided to pre-order and buy from the Apple Store online, right? What can they expect after they pre-order? Like on the collection date, which is on the 20th September, what are they expecting and what are the process like?
So you have two options, as I mentioned. You can either have it shipped to your home and it'll arrive at your home, or my favorite thing is to go in and pick it up in our store. And our amazing store teams are there ready to help every customer out, whether you just want to get quick in and out, get your product, get home and get going, or if you need help with getting it set up, getting your data transferred from your old phone, maybe you're trading in your old device and you want to make sure that's properly recycled, or if you want some tips and tricks from our amazing Today at Apple sessions that can help you taking advantage of all the amazing new features like the brand new camera in the new iPhone 16.
Nice. So just in case, okay, there are Malaysians that forget to pre-order, can they actually walk in and buy the iPhone 16 on the 20th of September?
Absolutely. We always make sure that we have products ready to wait for our customers on the day of availability. I would encourage them to come early because usually supply goes first. It goes fast, yes.
What are some of the perks coming to the Apple Store to actually buy the products?
I think our specialists are absolutely the best in the world to explain the new features of the products, how they work with all the other Apple products, and how additional accessories may help you for whatever it is that you're trying to use it for. And my personal favorite is the incredible Today at Apple sessions, where you can learn more about photography, learn more about the key features, and the team is training super hard right now to make sure that we deliver an incredible experience when the product's available.
Nice. Thank you very much, Karen, for sharing all this. So Malaysians, don't forget, pre-order starts 13 September and collection is on 20th September. If you love watching videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends also, okay? Thank you very much, Karen.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.